Good afternoon. My name is Lady. I'm going to develop activity 2. First question. What do you think of the Bestiaries? I think they were real in the sense that people believe in their existence. Some animals were real like the elephants, but most of the mythological creatures were as real as they are today. Second question. Why were bestiaries important in the Middle Age? I will say that this farming iconography relationship of the Catholic faith. Third question. Which animals did you find the most interesting? The unicorn represents as a horse with a horn on its forehead, to which healing powers were attributed. In fact, unicorn horns were sold as a luxury, excuse, products. Fourth, fourth question. If you could um, create a fantastic animals, what would it be like? Uh, I would create a dog with wings that had the power to speak. Thank you so much.